Hi, I'm Jacob Pavlich, the Assistant Service Manager here at Russ Darrow Kia of Waukesha. Today I'm here to talk to you about the importance of doing your maintenance on the regular schedule. What you want to do is make sure to do your oil changes every 4,000 to 5,000 miles and do your tire rotations every other oil change. What this does is it keeps you in compliance with warranty. It also keeps you aware of what your brake measurements are during those tire rotations and saves you the life of your tires. The other big times to look at are every 15,000 miles. You want to do the oil change, tire rotation and balance, cleaning and adjusting the brakes. At 30,000 miles, it's doing the oil change, tire rotation, cleaning and adjusting the brakes, doing your transmission fluid, which is an important one to keep you warranty compliant, as well as doing the fuel injection service. Keep in mind you always want to change the coolant as needed as well, especially here in Wisconsin where it gets so cold in the winter and so hot in the summer. Anytime you have questions about warranty or anything else, you can always ask any of our service advisors here. We'll be glad to keep you updated on what's due when, and we'll always recommend those services to keep you up to date. In this day and age, warranty is very important to keep up to speed on, especially with all those fluid changes, because the manufacturer really keeps track of that and will ask us for those records. If you do have any questions or would like to schedule an appointment, feel free to give us a call. Our number here is 262-547-1300. Thank you very much, and I hope you all have a good day.